Three. Good morning, guys. This is Mr. Bain's channel. What we are going today is how to make a fresh lumpia and ngoyong by the the made of young coconut bulb and trunks. This is the young coconut bulbs. I strip into a tiny pieces. This is a coconut bulb, young bulb. This is the image before. Then after we strip into tiny pieces, these are the image. We make this fresh lumpia, and also we make nguyong lumpia. Later uh, we have to work this by wrapping a lumpia wrapper, fresh lumpia wrapper, and wrapper, regular wrapper. This is the young coconut bulb and trunks mixed with meat with add seasoning and mix. After this, we have to wrap uh, lumpia wrapper for lumpia wrapper make nguyong lumpia, very delicious. Charap. Just 10 minutes to 15 minutes to cook. Mix with meat and coconut, young bulb and trunks. So look delicious.